Namaste Chhatraha. So lesson 13 is going on. Last class we learned first three stanza. Last class we learned first three stanza. Today we will going to learn last three stanza and textbook exercise abhyasaha. So last class we learned first three stanza aham balaha, then aham balika, aham gayakaha. Today we are going to learn last three stanza and textbook exercise abhyasa. So let's start the lesson. Next, same thing. It's very easy. Aham pachika. Aham pachika. Pachika means one who preparing the food or one who making the food, called pachika, or you can say cooker. So aham pachika. Aham pachika. Then mama nama Radha. Mama nama Radha. What is the pachika name? Food maker name? Radha. Mama nama Radha is the Anuradha. Radha. Mama nama Radha. So aham pachika. I am a pachika. I am a food maker, or I am a cooker. Then my name is Radha. My name is Radha. Girls can use this sentence. You can say yourself. Aham pachika. Mama nama Radha. My name is Radha. Then aham pachami is a verb. Pachami means pachami andre cooking or preparing any food, any dishes. That's called pachami. Pachami is a verb. It's a verb. So pachami is a verb. Verb pachami means preparing any dishes, any food. That's called pachami. So I'll cook. I'll make any dishes. I'll prepare the food. So aham pachami. Aham means who? Who is aham here? Aham means who? Aham means Radha. Radha telling herself, no. So aham means Radha. Aham pachika. I am a cooker. Mama nama Radha. My name is Radha. Aham means who? Radhali. Aham pachami. Okay, I'll cook. I'll prepare any food, any dishes. Next is a question. Kim, what? Aham pachami. Shall I cook? Shall I prepare any food? Shall I make any dishes? Aham pachami. What? Aham pachami. Then is a question. Then Radha only giving the answer. Means yes. 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 Aham pachami. Yes. I'll cook. I like to cook. So aham pachami. First asking the question for you guys. Kim aham pachami. Shall I cook? Yes. Radha only saying yes. Yes. Aham pachami. I'll cook. Clear? Now deer photo is there. Deer. Deer telling aham harinaha. Harinaha andre deer. Aham harinaha. You are harinaha? No, deer. Deer telling himself only. Aham harinaha. I am a deer. Aham dhavami. Dhavami is a verb. Means kriya padam. Verb means kriya padam. Dhavami means run or running. So aham harinah, I am a deer. Then aham dhavami, I will run. Aham dhavami. Aham means who? Aham means who here? Harinah, deer. And aham here pronoun also, pronoun. Is clear? So aham means harinah. Aham harinah, I am a deer. Aham dhavami, I will run. Next, kim, what? Kim, what? Aham khagah, am I bird? Aham khagah, am I bird? So asking, kim, what? Am I bird? Aham khagah is a question. Kim, aham bird? Then answer, na means no. Aham, I am not a bird. Then who are you? Aham mrugaha, I am a deer. Mrugaha means deer. Harinah, synonym. Mrugaha, harinah is a synonym. So kim, what? Aham khagah, am I bird? Am I bird? No, na. They giving the answer. Who? Harinah, deer giving the answer. What? Na, I am not a bird. Then who are you? Aham mrugaha, I am a deer. I am not a bird, but I am a deer. Clear? Now last stanza in your textbook, which photo is there? Kokilaha, quail. Kokilaha. Now aham kokilaha. Aham kokilaha, I am a kokilaha. It's a bird name, kokilaha, quail. Aham kuhu iti kujami. Aham kuhu iti kujami. So I am a kokilaha and aham kuhu iti kujami. Okay, I'll chant. Kuhu iti kujami means I'll chant, I'll tell or I'll speak kuhu. Kuhu iti aham kujami. Kujami is a verb. Means is a bird language. Kujami. So telling kuhu. So saying kuhu. Or speaking kuhu. Or singing kuhu. So aham kokilaha, aham kuhu iti kujami. Kim, what? Aham khagah, what? Am I bird? Who telling? Kokila only telling, no. Who telling? Kokila only telling oneself, no. Then kim, aham khagah, kim, aham khagah, am I bird? Am I bird? Asking the question. Kim, what? Am I bird? Aham khagah. Khagah andre? Bird. Kim, aham khagah. Am I bird? Am I bird? Reply me. Am I bird? Then answer. Means yes. Aham khagah. Yes. Aham khagah. I am a bird. Look here. Kokila only asking the question and Kokila only giving the answer. Kim, aham khagah. Who asking? Kokila only asking, no. Kim, aham khagah. Am I bird? Yes. Yes. Aham khagah. I am a bird. Is clear? So, Kokilaha kim karoti? Kokilaha kim karoti? Kuhu. What? Kujati. Now, textbook exercise means abhyasaha. What is their first one? Udaharananu saram vakyani likhata. Udaharananu saram vakyani likhata. As shown is the example, you have to write like this only. You have to see the example, you have to write like this only. So what is the example? Aham pathami. This is the example, you can see. Aham pathami. Example is aham pathami. Aham patami, like this. And you have to do next one. You see the example, same way I have to do next one. Look at aham patami. I will read aham patami is the example. Next, aham chala is there. Aham chala means going. Then aham chalami. Yes, chalami. Now clear? Aham patami, aham chalami. Then next, aham namami. Namaskara. Next, aham likha is there. Likhami, writing. Next, aham khada is there. Khada means khadami. Aham dhava is there. Dhavami. Correct. Aham hasa is there. Dhava means running. Aham hasa is there. Smile. Hasami. Correct. Tell this one. Vada is there. Aham vadami. I will speak something. Aham piba is there. Drinking. Pibami. Aham pata is there. Pata means fall. Patami. Correct. So here all are verbs. Look at aham pibam. Aham means I. Aham pibami. Aham chalami. Aham namami. Aham likhami. Aham khadami. Aham dhavami. Aham hasami. Means smile. Aham badami. I will speak something. Aham pibami. Aham patami. Fall. Aham patami. Is clear? Look at here all are verbs. Aham patami, aham likhami, aham chalami. Like this. You have to fill in the blanks. It's clear? And second one also, you have to see the example and write the answer. Look here. One side, saha pibati, saha dhavati, saha likhati, saha hasati, saha khadati is there. Now you have to convert saha to aham. Saha to aham. Look at saha, you can see saha pibati. So saha pibati, saha means someone. That's why pibati. Saha pibati, saha not me, not I, saha pibati. That's why when any word do someone or anyone, you can put pibati, likhati, gacchati. Saha pibati, sa pibati, pranabah pibati, rajatah pibati, khushi pibati. So khushi pibati, khushi means who? Me, not others. Others, that's why ti, pibati means drinking. Now aham pibami, saha pibati, aham pibami. This is different. So pibati for others, pibami for us. Saha pibati, aham pibami. Like this. Ramah likhati, Ramah, others, not me. Ramah likhati, aham likhami. So ti for others, likhati, patati, gacchati. These are all verbs, but you have to put for others. Ramah likhati, balakah likhati, gajah chalati. But us you have to put me. Aham likhami, aham chalami, aham vadami. So ti for others and me for us only. It's different. You can say saha pibati. Saha means someone. It's a pronoun. Someone. Saha pibati. Now look at it to convert. Aham pibami. Saha pibati. Aham pibami. Like this. Saha dhavati. Saha. Someone. Saha dhavati means running. Then aham dhavami. Saha dhavati. Aham dhavami. Saha hasati. Saha hasati. Now we have to do this one. Saha hasati. Saha hasati. Then aham. Correct. Aham. What? Hasami. Hasati means smile. Saha hasati. Okay, I will smile. Aham hasami. Clear? So ti for others. Balakah hasati. Gayakah gayati. or me for us. If you tell aham pibami, aham likhami, aham chalami. So the for others and me for us only. Is clear? Like this you have to do. Next 3 is there, you have to complete yourself. Now saha namati is there. Saha namati is there. You have to convert. Aham namami. Saha namati. Aham namami. Then saha khadati is there. Saha khadati. Next aham khadami. Like this you have to complete this main. Now last main. In Abhyasa last main. What is there? Fill in the blanks using aham and balakaha. Fill in the blanks using aham and balakaha. Where aham is correct and where balakaha is correct. You have to fill in these blanks. Fill in the blanks using aham and balakaha. Which blank for aham and which blank for balakaha. So few minutes before I told ti patati likhati gacchati for others. This verb for others. Patati likhati gacchati khadati for others, and patami likhami gacchami for us only. Is clear? So others ti and us me. Now you have to say. So you have to fill in the blanks using aham and balaka. Where aham is correct and where balaka is correct. Now vadati is there. Which one coming? Aham coming or balaka coming? You think and tell. Vadati is there. So which word coming? Friend of vadati. Aham or balaka? Balaka, right? Balaka. Why balaka? Na balaka is someone, not me. Balaka vadati. Balaka vadati. Not me. Balaka vadati. So ti for others and me for us only. Where me is there means end of the verb me is there is a simple thing process. Where end of the verb me is there, me, then you have to put aham. Where ti is there, then you have to put any name or pronoun, whatever. Others. Ti for others, me for us. So me is there means you have to put aham, and ti is there means you have to put any name. Like this balakaha. Now vadami. I will speak something. Vadami. Which word coming? Aham or balakaha? Which word coming? Vadami. So me for us, no. That's why aham vadami. Aham vadami. Aham coming here. Simple process what? Now me is there means end of the verb me is there means you have to write aham. End of the verb ti is there means you have to write balakaha or any other's name. Clear? Now likhami. You do yourself. Likhami is there. Aham likhami or balakaha likhami. Which one correct? Aham likhami or balakaha likhami? Aham likhami, no. Aham likhami, no. Then balakaha likhati is correct, not balakaha likhami. Aham likhami, balakaha likhati. Is clear? Now hasati, smiling, hasati. Kam kaha? Aham hasati or balaka hasati? Aham, no. Hasati, others. So balakaha. Balakaha. Ti for others. Where ti is there, you have to put any name or whatever is there. Where me is there, you have to put only aham, aham, aham. Next, namami, namami. Aham namami, na balaka namami. Aham namami. Balaka namati is correct. Aham namami, balaka namati. Next, chalati. Chalati. Who? Aham chalati or balaka chalati. Balaka chalati or balaha chalati. Then aham chalami you can say. You can say aham chalami. Chalati is there. That's why balaka chalati. Ti for others, me for us only. Simple thing, simple process what? So end of the verb ti is there means you have to put balakah or any other's name. End of the verb me is there means you have to put aham only. Aham patami, aham likhami, aham chalami, aham vadami, aham hasami. Ti saha ramah saha chalati, ramah chalati, balakah chalati, balakah patati, gayakah gayati. So ti for others, aham for us, or me for us only. Is clear? So today we will complete the lesson. धन्यवाद.